Greenfield School and College. Greenfield School and College. Subject-wise guidelines for JSC students. This video is very helpful for you if you are a JSC student. Today's guidelines for English compulsory subject. English is very difficult to me. I do not understand grammar easily. I can't write anything without memorizing. In the exam hall I feel tensed. I look around for help. I do not find any solution to these problems. Dear students, have no fear. Jamal sir and Tania miss are here. You are strongly advised to follow our deeply meditated guidelines. These guidelines will guide you to secure your dream score in English. You must have clear conception on all the units and lessons of the English for today for a scene reading comprehension in the exam. To solve multiple choice questions, question answering and fill in the gaps from these units which will cover 25 marks and out of 100. Vocabulary or word stock must be increased for exam preparation, which is also needed for 2 unseen vocabulary tests covering 10 marks. Therefore, word meaning from English to English, similar words and opposite words, both textual and must be learned. In answering questions, follow the using of tense, verb, number and person, sequence of tense and some basic sentence patterns, position of different parts of speech, word formation, etc. Do not copy the sentences thoroughly from the passage. Make simple sentences by your own. Be careful about the grammar mistakes, spelling, capitalization and punctuation in the script. Good reading competence and fluency is a must for solving substitution table, true, false and match sentence. You must practice these unseen items from different reference books. Read a lot about common topics on current affairs, everyday science and others. Follow and solve the board questions of previous years. For guided writing, you must go through the common topics given by the teachers and also learn free writing about any topic must be practiced regularly. Write only answers for every questions in the script. Strictly follow the writing pattern of paragraph, email and dialogue. Do not cross the word limit for the writing part. Write and rewrite the composition part every day to overcome your mistakes. Grammar items must be practiced and revised every day to improve grammar ability. Using of punctuation in narration and transformation must be carefully maintained. For writing, emails address must be written in small letters. Subject line should be brief and the main body must not be lengthy. Above all, neatness, fair handwriting is a must for carrying good marks. Prepared and presented by Raihanul Islam, Vice Principal, Greenfield College, Metro 10, Dhaka.